How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? You might have heard that before. Today we're actually looking at Wyatt, and Wyatt is husking corn. Same idea. We could have the same question with woodchucks, but we got Wyatt. What are we going to do? My name is Paul Ivy Masters, Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 4, number 31, which reads, Wyatt can husk at least 12 dozen ears of corn per hour and at most 18 dozen ears of corn per hour. Based on this information, what is the possible amount of time in hours that it could take Wyatt to husk 72 dozen ears of corn? So if you just know what to do here, great, just do it. But the question is hours. What we could do is we could take a brief look at stoichiometry here. Now, what's stoichiometry? That's what you did in chem or physics class, where you have a fraction and we've got units and you cross out units on the diagonal. So if you're doing stoichiometry, what you always want to do is set up the question on top. So the question is, what's possible amount of time in hours? So I'm going to put hours on top. And then what we've got to do is we've got to fill in according to that. So it says 12 dozen ears of corn per hour. So an hour is equal to 12 dozen ears of corn. I'm just going to put a C for corn, 12 dozen ears of corn. And so if he's husking 72 ears of corn, if I multiply this, the C's cancel, and essentially what I wind up with is 72 divided by 12. What I get is 6 hours. Repeating that for the 18, an hour he could do up to 18 ears of corn. And again, with the 72 corn, the C's cancel, and there he winds up with 4 hours. And it's an open-ended question. It says what's a possible amount. You could bubble in 4 or 5 or 6 and be correct. I choose to bubble in 5. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with stoichiometry type questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.